today's the day I'm gonna at least start with the body work. It's a day I've been waiting for a long time, since I got the car. Let's take a quick look at what I got to work with at the moment. Now this door was totally smashed, just like the rest of the car. And I looked around for a while, called a bunch of buddies. No one could find one, so I found one on the web from a guy named Jay. He's in the scene, well-known guy. I don't know him, but he was super cool, hooked me up with his door. And I'm very grateful for that. But the car was T-boned pretty bad. So I had mapped out a piece I needed to cut because I couldn't get a quarter. And then I found a new rocker. As you can see, there's the quarter piece I cut out. And then the rocker's here. So I'm gonna cut this out because I couldn't find a full quarter. I'm going to massage the rest of this back into place and then replace the whole rocker on the bottom. And it should be good to go after that. So let's get started. We have everything cut out. Boy, what a chore that was. Looking pretty rough in here. We got everything cut out. Got our piece ready to go in. I need to trim a little more and just be sure that everything's gonna fit right. And then prep, grind. So lots more ahead. So we have got everything pretty much tacked in. Got our rocker on, clean, nice rocker. Comes up into our clean, nice lines for the door. We're gonna do that fender overlay on here, so I'm not worried too much about this, but I got all the holes welded up. So there's gonna be no more leaks from water, and then I'll seal it off on the inside after I grind down some of the welds. But the door lines up fine. Everything seems to be going in the right direction. So I'm gonna start buzzing it in, and then I'm gonna call it a day. All right, it is all in. Stitched up. I'm done for the day. Throw a little primer on here. Other than that, I think I'm gonna call it a night.
The movie started. Oh, let me get my sunglasses. All right, Rick, to grab your side over there. He's gonna go back there. When he's ready, I'm gonna start marking. Hurry the fuck up, man. Go take your side. All right, this is right here is good, Vic. How about that side? The arch. Remember, this has to go close as you can. Right here at the edge. Okay, you ready? I'm ready. Hold it. Guys, I already marked my fucking lip. Alright, here, start cleaning the inside a little bit. Use the clean rags back there. Don't fucking use the greasy rag. Here, this is clean. Take a fucking Sharpie shit. And start reading that while I'm gonna go over there with James and I'm gonna make holes.
Whoa! You got it on hammer. Take it off the hammer.
Oh shit, I do got a hammer. Thank you, Vic.
Then you're just gonna open a trunk, and then you're gonna see like a big mark where you smash down on the inside.
I don't know if I have to go all the way down though.
Well, for the most part, I can tell you it makes stuff stick.
That's what glue does.
Yeah, because that's kind of smart.
Listen, man, I don't know how this shit works, but
it says there, shake it, cut the shit desired length, make the shit nice and tight, and then fucking glue it on there. You don't want to steady his hands here. So how the fuck you know how the fuck it don't work? That don't make no sense, right?
because it has some weird instructions, like turn it a half a turn. Oh, it's this shit.
Yes, you gotta make sure it's nice and tight. You gotta cut it to the left.
Oh.
God, this guy's a fucking...
He should be the expert. It says shake it, squeeze it, and then sticky stuff comes out.
Yeah.
Don't put it too thick so it doesn't ooze out of it. You want to test fit it with the screws and everything? Make sure it fits right?
It fits right, man. Yeah, man. This is fucking mid for our locals, man.
All right.
3, 4. All right. I have a rag over there, so... You're taller than me, so ready? You got the top part, and I'm gonna grab this. As soon as you put it down, okay, as long as we can get something in there and hold it.
If you probably just get a ratchet or something on here, you can probably suck it down.
Yeah. But,
not too tight. I'm gonna break the fiberglass.
yeah, it's not going nowhere.
All right, it's on.
Actually, no, this is straight. It's not that bad. All right, guys. Yes, I know I gotta get different bolts, but it's on there. You just want the glue to dry, and I'll get smaller heads so it can fit better.
Dude, that looks good.
I like it. I like it a lot. And it doesn't bother me that that bowl in that corner is popping out a little bit, but as it dries and the fucking sun molds it in, I'll tighten up a little bit more.